Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. We're diving into the delicious, the greasy, and the crave-worthy world of fast food. Let's get started. Rate the Chipotle. Rate the pizza. Rate the burger. Rate the Taco Bell. Rate the fries. Do subscribe for more interesting videos. Rate the broast. Rate the nuggets. Rate the sausage. Rate the hot dog. Rate the noodles. Rate the sandwiches. Rate the bacon. Rate the waffles. Rate the doner kebab.